Hello everyone, and welcome back to the CEO Nutrition Education channel. My name is Alana, and I am a nutrition educator for the Commission on Economic Opportunity. For our recipe video today, I decided to modify a breakfast burrito recipe that I found online. My goals for this recipe are to decrease sodium and fat intake and increase intake of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. In an effort to increase whole grains in this recipe, I am going to swap out the flour tortillas for whole wheat tortillas. Next, I'm going to swap out the refried beans for low sodium or no salt added canned black beans in order to decrease the sodium content. I also decided that in order to reduce the amount of fat in the original recipe, I am going to choose a fat-free or low-fat cheese instead of a full-fat cheddar cheese. Lastly, I found that the original recipe was lacking in fruits and vegetables. I'm going to keep the tomato in this recipe, but I'm also going to add spinach to the burrito. Additionally, you could top the burrito with salsa or avocado and red onion. I'm also going to have a side of fresh fruit to increase my fruit intake with this recipe. Now that I showed you a few of the swaps and additions I would make to this recipe, allow me to demonstrate how to make these delicious breakfast burritos. Always remember to begin any recipe by first washing your hands using soap and warm water to ensure safe food preparation. You'll also want to wash any fresh produce that you'll be using for this recipe. Don't forget to also rinse the outside of your canned goods to remove any dirt from the can before opening. Although I'm using low-sodium canned black beans for this recipe, you should also always drain and thoroughly rinse your canned beans to remove excess sodium even further. Once we're finished over at the sink, we can grab the rest of our ingredients and begin making our breakfast burritos. Two eggs, 2 tablespoons of a reduced fat milk, salt, pepper, and chili powder to taste, half a teaspoon of oil, 2 10-inch whole wheat tortillas, half a cup of no salt added canned black beans, drained and rinsed, a 1/4 cup of reduced fat shredded cheddar cheese, half of a tomato chopped, a 1/4 cup of spinach. Mix eggs, milk, and seasonings in a bowl. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Stir in the eggs and cook until firm. Wrap tortillas in foil and heat in the oven or warm on a griddle. Warm the black beans in a separate pan and mash to desired consistency. On each tortilla, layer black beans, eggs, cheese, tomato, and spinach. Roll the burrito, cut in half, and enjoy. Refrigerate any leftovers within 2 hours. Top with additional fruits and veggies, or enjoy on the side. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment on our posts or send our nutrition educators a direct message with any additional questions, comments, or concerns.